Hello guys, how are you? So when you first open up the Blender, which is the version that I'm currently using is 3.0. When you're launching the Blender, you're gonna see this yeah option which you are able to click here. So we are going to use the general. Its default object is this three: camera, cube, and a light. So we don't need actually these two. We're just going to work with this one, okay? So first thing, if I press N, or instead I click just on this small icon right here, and I have a cool add-on that I can enable you so that you can see a preview of everything I'm clicking. So the next thing is that I go here and click and open up this shading, and I turn on the cavity and shadow, and I go and select the matte cap, and maybe this one, but this two is much nice. Okay, so yeah, that's it about. As you can see, I'm in solid mode now. If I press Z, or you can select from here. If I press Z, the hotkey is much faster and much yeah, it's time saving. So as you can see, I can choose and go in wireframe mode, render mode, solid mode, and etc. So if I just press Z and then yeah, at the left, it will switch to the wireframe, to the solid mode, and etc. Okay, so we are going to start from the solid mode. So during this practicing, yeah, I show you whatever step you need to make your thing and idea much better, and you're gonna create those inside the Blender. So first of all, we are going to model a really and very simple house, okay? A very simple low poly house, so that you're gonna be familiar, and then it can be later it's gonna be a little bit complex, just a bit, so that everybody can follow along. So we select that one, okay, and we go to the edit mode. Here is the object mode, and here if we click edit mode. So instead of clicking here or switching back, we can use a hotkey, and that's gonna be tab. So press tab on your keyboard, and it will switch between the object mode and edit mode. So here we can escape those by pressing S and etc. Okay, so I just select, as you can see, holding middle mouse, as you can read here, it will rotate around my object, and if I holding shift and middle mouse, shift and middle, it will make a pan for me. And if I just scroll up and down, it will zoom, or you can hold down control and hold down scroll again and just push inside or backward, forward and backward, it will zoom smoothly. Okay, so that's it. And if you, for example, you are here and you want to focus on that object, you just press numpad period on your keyboard. So that's it. So we select everything. Now I just selected this vertex. Okay, the hotkey to switching between this vertex, edge, and face is here. Actually, here you can just select. Now we are vertex. Now is we are on edge and face. The hotkey for that is 1, 2, 3 on your keyboard. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, 1 is just vertex, and 2 and 3. So anyway, press A, select everything, and press 1. Look at from the orthographic. Now we are looking of front orthographic. Okay, 1, 3, 7. As you can see, it will change as well here. Okay, and it will, if you hold on it second, it will show you a text preview for you. Click use a preset viewpoint. Okay, and the shortcut control numpad 7 or you can just click 7, for example. Okay, and 9, 7, 1, 3. So just practice with that. So I selected everything, and now press S and Z because I want to scale that in in Z axis. Okay, so by right click, you're gonna cancel that. So I press again, I zoom a little bit, S, Z, and then I just hold down Control. It will snap to a smaller increment. Okay, so I think that's fine about here, or maybe here. Okay, yeah, that's fine about here. So now what we need is that we need some we'll make a window here, right here. Okay, so actually first let me press 3, which we are already on face mode, and we'll select this top face. Okay, and we'll look at from the front orthographic by pressing 1 on your numpad, and press this guy right here, which is extrude. You can click here and extrude it in this case, or you can just select that face and use a hotkey. Press E. Okay, and now you are able to extrude that. And about here. And now hold on Alt. Okay, and just go over the mouse in this corner or in every corner that you can see, and hold on Alt and left click. It will select the loop for you. Okay, and now hold on a second here and choose extrude along normals and drag this yellow guy. Okay, the hotkey for that is I press Ctrl and Z to undo that. Is that you press Alt E and then you select the extrude face along normals from this menu. Okay, and now just move your mouse just a bit about here. Yeah, and that's it. And now I can select here and press E and extrude that inside. Or maybe we need to scale first. Scale that just a bit and press E. What I did is that I press Ctrl Z again. Okay, Ctrl Z. Now scale and press E and extrude that inside. And that's it. So thank you very much and see you in the next video.